I would like now to introduce your speaker for today, Alexey Manasuev. Alexey Manasuev is a principal of U.S. Tax IQ. He's a U.S. tax attorney admitted to practice in New York and District of Columbia, as well as foreign legal consultant, Ontario. He has over 14 years of experience in advising clients on U.S. tax and international tax issues for both inbound and outbound investments and transfer pricing issues. Manasuev has significant experience in structuring investments into the United States by Canadian and other institutional investors, including foreign governments, pension funds, and other tax-exempt entities, and advising on U.S. tax aspects of related transactions. Manasuev's work experience includes working with Washington National Tax Center for Excellence, where he primarily focused on various aspects of U.S. inbound taxation and advised clients on U.S. trade or business permanent establishments and tax treaty issues arising in the context of financing transactions and other investments into the United States. He is an active member of the American Bar Association Tax Section and the New York State Bar Association Section of Taxation. Alexey frequently writes on transfer pricing and various other U.S. and international tax topics as well. He is also a frequent speaker at various tax-related events. We welcome you on the board, Alexey. We are now ready to begin.
Thank you, Gary. Hello, everyone. I'm happy to present today on this important topic. There have been a lot of developments, yet there's quite a bit of uncertainty. Certain planning opportunities, even though limited or non-existent in some cases, and there has been significant change in the landscape as to how you structure your investments in the U.S., whether you live in Canada or other foreign jurisdiction, and how you handle your investments and how you manage them when you are managing them inside the U.S. I would like to draw your attention to the disclaimer, just to make sure that nothing presented today constitutes tax or legal advice, and you should be aware of that. I'll give you a second to review the disclaimer so that it sinks in. All right, perfect. And in terms of today's agenda, we have a 2-hour presentation and a very, very packed agenda. I will focus on key international tax provisions. Before that, we'll go and overview the landscape, certain factors that matter in this whole new law environment. I'll mention planning opportunities and certain tips and considerations with respect to potential compliance that is required, or some other actions that you may consider, either you or your clients, to deal with the international tax provisions and the new tax law while addressing certain areas of the presentation. There would be one other topic, and this